Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. You picked up the Galaxy S23 Ultra and you're searching on YouTube for some cases to protect your device. Look no further. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Caseology Nano-Pop case for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I need to give them a shout out for actually sending these cases to me for review. They sent me out one in green. They sent it out to me in blue and gold, which is almost like Michigan colors. Look. Oh, that is actually might be my favorite. And then black and gray case. I have reviewed the Atlas case before on my channel for the S23 Ultra. You can check out that video. But in this video, we'll make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Is it easy to take the pen out? Can you wireless charge? Does it have bulk to your phone? I've used Caseology before, and they are some of my go-to cases now that I use for my phones. You can get these cases from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. We will look at the different colors, but I'll probably just review one of them. They all gonna fit the same. But let's do the black and gray one to start off. This is the one I'm gonna review. Nice presentation from them. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. So you get the little book here. Welcome to the club. But look at this case though. Like that design. Now these corners here have a grip. I love that. Because the back is kind of smooth though. But it's a hard plastic. You have some Caseology logo there. Man. Alright, let's see how this thing fits in here. Nice and snug. Do you get lip action? Yes, you get some. But let's see if it does my card trick. Yeah, you get some. I wouldn't lay it down. I wouldn't slam it down on there. But you did get some lip action all the way around. Also, the camera cutout. Look how precise that is. That is very precise. I like how the bottom looks too. The pen is easy to get out because they come down to the bottom of the frame. You have a lot of room for there. The USB Type-C. The microphone at the top lines up. The power button is easy to press. The vine rockers are easy also. The only one thing too is I wish the power button was separate. I mean the vine rockers were separated. It's just one big button. But that's okay. I mean it's not, that's nitpicking, but I do love the grip though. These grip on the sides make a big difference holding this phone. The overall fit is pretty good. It's a little loose at the bottom again. But that's a lot of things for the cutouts, but not bad. And then also, let's see how hard it is to get off. It takes some effort to get off too. Yeah, that's definitely some work. So the overall fit is good. Doesn't add bulk to your phone. This is definitely a nice case. The Nano-Pop. Let's see, can you wireless charge? I don't think you'll have a problem wireless charging either. So let's bust out the green one real quick. All right, so here's the green one. It comes in the same packaging. It has the same interface in the inside. But let's just see how it looks on this phone here. Not bad. Everything lines up too. It has the same grip on the sides. So this is the green one. It can wireless charge. Fits the same too. Now let's check out this one. This is going to be the case I rock with. Look. Go blue, y'all. Look. Oh, this is definitely a great color. They must have knew that I'm a Michigan fan. They must have knew I was a Wolverine fan. Because look. Oh. This is, yeah, I love this color. The fit is the same. I love the grip on here. So which one is your favorite? Y'all already know mine. This one is definitely mine. Maybe you're more of a green type of guy. or you just want the black and gray. Y'all let me know in the comments below. We can definitely have a friendly discussion. If you want to pick up these cases, I'll have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Go blue.